Hey guys, welcome back to Go Your Own Way. My name is Maddie, and today I thought it'd be fun to recreate the edible sand that is going about at the moment online. I think it's going about at the moment on TikTok. I'm not too sure. I don't actually use TikTok, but I seen it this morning on Facebook, and I thought I haven't seen my nephews and niece in about a week, so I thought what better time to go down and show them the edible sand, but I'm not going to tell them it's edible sand and see their reaction. So first thing to do is go get some Cheerios. I think I'm going to try if I can get like chocolate kind of fish or sweetie fish or something. This should be fun. First thing I gotta do, go get some Cheerios. Okay, so I cheaped out in buying the Cheerio, so hopefully surely they're the same thing. The kids won't notice anything anyway. Shh. I also got a packet of banana and shrimp sweets. I couldn't find anything else that was like, you know, associated with the beach or the sand or anything. Okay, next stop is get home and get these multigrain hoops blended. Let's go! See what it tastes like. They're not bad. I did make quite a lot. Knowing my nephews and niece, they're probably going to be looking this in their sand pit, but that's not going to happen because it's going to cost me an absolute fortune to fill it. What I am going to do is use an oven tray. We'll just see what happens. I imagine we're going to use both boxes here, so because that didn't make very much. I mean, it does look like sand. I don't think they're going to notice. So I just had a thought. If the kids end up eating all this, my sister might go a bit mad because it's about 3,000 calories and 102 grams of sugar. It's almost 5 p.m. I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh well. Okay, so next I'm going to wrap this up in some food wrap and then head on down to my sister's house to surprise the kids. Okay, not great timing. Just as I pulled up to my sister's house, she actually messaged me saying that she had taken the kids out for a bite to eat and to do their grocery shopping. So I guess I'll call down later. It is the next morning. Okay, so plans changed. Last night my sister got home quite late. She took them out for McDonald's, sat in the queue and got home. It was after 9 p.m. So I'm gonna call down now with the edible sand and yeah, let's see how we get on.
Who's here? Maddie!
Hey buddy.
I know who's Maddie's here! I was like, is that a crazy man on the door? Yep.
Hello baby.
Why do I have a spoon? I'm gonna eat it.
No. It's something like Play-Doh, yeah.
What? Sand!
Sand.
Why does it smell weird?
Smells weird? What's it smell like?
I got it. Smells like cookies.
Cookies.
It smells. I smell it. See?
It smells like sand.
It doesn't. It smells like... I don't know what it smells like. Did you make this by yourself? Thank you. Oh, can we eat them?
Oh, this smells so good.
Sauce for you to dip things in and eat it.
Dip it?
And eat it.
I dare you to do that.
Yeah.
You dip a sweet in there. No, dip it into the sand.
But you dip it in.
Me?
Yeah.
If I dip one in, you dip one in. You promise? Okay.
You dip it in.
You take this one. I'll
Okay.
take this one. Gail, you take this one. Masie Mae.
Hey, guys.
What's it taste like?
Yummy!
But it's sand.
It's edible. It's edible. Isn't that nice? Yeah!
Why is it nice?
I told you.
Why is it nice?
I that one. Yummy!
Yummy.
Overeat this.
Go.
Okay.
Nice.
No.
You do this with me. A whole spoon. You think? A whole spoon. Oh. Go do the whole thing.
Yuck! Yummy?
Nice.
It's back.
Up, up.
Swallow it. In my hand. In my hand.
Eat your hand.
It's weird,
You were right. This is edible sand. I made this. You know what this is? Cereal. And I blended it up. So you can play with it. And eat it.
Look.
Whoa.
I made that. I made it. Yeah.
Dare you.
Yep.
Thumbs up. Oh, for me? Oh, thank you. Whoa. That's cool. Yeah. Did you do that? Do you love it? Good. Oh, wow. Nice. Good lad. It's on your hair. It's on your clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, a bee.
Was it a bee?
Yeah.
Do you not like bees?
No.
Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh.
That's crazy.
So I think edible sand was a success. The kids are running about. The boys are locking me in. And Masie Mae's cleaning up. So if you're making edible sand, 1, prepare for mess. 2, prepare for high energy kids. 3, prepare for a sister that shouts for having to clean up. On that note, I better go. Guys, stay safe. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, hit the like button, and share this with your friends. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.